This is the definitive guide to resolving the Fortnite UE loSTORE signature error after the latest update. Having personally encountered this frustrating invalid pack issue and explored numerous solutions, I've identified several effective strategies that genuinely work, and I'm ready to share them with you right now. Our first approach involves verifying game files within the Epic Games launcher. This is crucial because updates can sometimes corrupt or incompletely download game assets, leading to the signature error. By verifying, the launcher scans your installation for any discrepancies against the official server files, automatically replacing damaged or missing components to restore game integrity. Next, we address the Epic Games launcher cache. Over time, temporary data and cached files can become corrupted or outdated, directly interfering with how Fortnite validates its game packages. Clearing this cache forces the launcher to rebuild these temporary files from scratch, often eliminating underlying conflicts that trigger the pack is invalid message. A more comprehensive solution is a complete reinstallation of Fortnite. This method is highly effective because it ensures all potentially corrupted game files, configuration settings, and launcher-related data are entirely removed. It provides a pristine, fresh installation, bypassing deep-seated file corruption or installation issues that might persist even after verification. Finally, updating your graphics drivers and operating system is vital. Outdated drivers or a system lacking critical updates can create compatibility conflicts with new Fortnite patches, manifesting as various errors, including file validation failures. Keeping your system components current ensures maximum compatibility and stability, allowing Fortnite to execute correctly without unexpected integrity problems. These methods collectively target the root causes of the UE loSTORE signature error, getting you back into the game.